Hi friends, today we're going to make this cute little Christmas tag, and all the paper I got from Ingrid Carlson, who I will link below. One of my favorite glues is this art glitter. It holds just about anything. So I purchased Ingrid's download for her Christmas pack and cut these out, and I used some Ranger's Oxide ink to ink the edges. And I'm going to just put this one down first. See, here we go. I've got this black soot, which is great if you don't have a black ink pad handy. And I like to do the edges just to give it a little finished look. And I'm going to put these two little cuties, I think, yeah, to the left over here. So I think I like that there. So I like to place it and then decide where I'm going to glue it. So it doesn't take very much glue, and I like the tip because on that glitter glue, because you can get right up to the edges. I also have this cute little coat check that came with Ingrid's downloads. And I'm going to add this to the corner on the left. I'm going to use my stapler to put this on. So I'm just going to line it up right here. Oops, put my stapler, I think I'll go on the other side. This little mini stapler is fun. I have different colored staples in here. And sometimes it's hard to reach in the middle, but that's okay. All right, now it's time for the ribbon. I have a really pretty blue, some Christmas red, and this old seam binding that I have. I love using this stuff. So one thing I like to do if I have multiple ribbons is I'll lay them all flat together, and then I'm going to twist them like this. And then it just makes it easier to get all three end pieces through that loop. And then I'm going to just kind of futz with it a little bit and get out my handy dandy bulb pins. Oh, you guys, I will list these. These are my favorite. They're little teeny tiny. They work really well. And what I'll do, I'll open it up. I'm going to put it through one or two of the ribbons in the back here, and then I'm just going to then go through my paper right here at the top. Oh, there we go, right there at the top. Okay. All right, a little bit of fluffing, and there you have it. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.